Hi guys, how are you doing? I just thought I'd do a quick video tutorial. I have sent you some information regarding the equipment that you need just to get you going and just to start you off in creating some awesome videos for YouTube, your YouTube channel. All of you should have a selfie stick or some kind of device that you can rest your phone on so you can take beautiful images and create content for your YouTube channel. So this is mine. It's basic, as you can see. Normally it will have this mount on it like that normally, and then the phone fits in. Okay, but I did send in the group I did send some links, and this is called a mount shoe, which is very important because it's going to link all the things that I've sent to you in terms of the mic and the lighting, for example. So first, everything is easy to attach. You know, anyone can do this. It's so simple. So what you do is you attach this to your device, your selfie stick. See, it's easy. Just screw it on, screw it round. There you go. So simple, so easy. So that's on. Now this is what's going to hold your mobile phone. So make sure, because it's got two ways of attaching it, so make sure you use the correct one. Okay, so you actually attach it this way. So you put it on like this, and it goes round and round and round. Okay, let's just keep going. Going to be here for a while. No, not really. Oops. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So now I want to get it so that it's there. It is. It's nice and secure. There you go. It's all nice and sturdy. Look, that's what you're after. That's the mount where the phone will go in, and that's where the mic's gonna rest. Okay, so can you see it? Great. Now the next thing is to get the phone. I've got, because I'm obviously recording on my beautiful Note 8, I'm going to use an old phone just for demonstration purposes. So as I said, the phone will actually clip into this. It can take most phones. Mine is a Note 8, so mine's quite a big phone. Not big, but quite a good size. And this is a little phone. And look, doesn't it look brilliant? Just clips into it like that. So that's how it looks there. Now the next thing I'm going to share with you what you need, because I sent a link in for you to purchase the VideoMicro compact camera microphone. It's called the Rode. It's brilliant. It does the job. And the beauty of this is it cuts out all the background noise. So you could be outside filming and it just cuts it all out. And it's good just to isolate everything. So the way this works is it's got this part here that slides into the back. Right, there you go. Slides into the back. Oops, come out. Slides into the back, and then you can attach it. You know, there's like a little wheel that you twist it to keep it secure. Okay, just keep twisting it until it is secure. Yeah, nearly there. Okay, guys. Right, so that's that. Well, I'm just twisting it. I think I've got there now. Yeah. Okay. So then you got this part here forgot what you call it, but this is to, you just basically click it into the side. That's where the sound is. There you go. So you can still record and you'll be able to hear yourself once you start recording. So let me show you. This is how it's beginning to look. Look. Oops. There it is. You've got your mic there. It's a powerful mic as well. Even though it might be small, it's really powerful. And it's really cool. It's inexpensive. And then last but not least is the lighting. Now, the lighting that was recommended to me isn't the same lighting as what was recommended. So I found this through a friend who uses this, and it's quite good. It does the same job. And it's compact, okay? And it's got different settings. So let me turn it on. Look, that's a bright setting, even brighter. Even brighter. So when you're doing your awesome videos, it clips in at the side. Look, there you go. And then you turn it on. Isn't that amazing? You can have it standing on a desk, or you can have it like I will have, like that. Can you see? So I say, hi guys, my name is Sharon. I'm a mindset and transformation coach. And you have all the lighting. You've got the video, they got the recording, the video recording microphone, so you can pick up your voice clearly, and it looks professional. And this is it. And it's all easy to travel with. You can go anywhere with this. You can travel anywhere, and you can actually create some really professional, amazing videos. Look how easy that was. So I'm going to place it down here on the table where I am. I'll turn this light off, actually. There you go. Yeah. So if you like this setup, put the links for you to purchase this equipment, and let me know what you think. And happy video creating, guys. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll come back with another video just to share with you some more tips and advice on how to get yourself going. Remember to start creating as many videos as possible, so that when you launch your YouTube channel, you have so much content. And also start collating your titles. What are you going to talk about? Have at least 3 months planned out. I would say 2 to 3 months planned out of your titles. Then start recording your videos. Choose interesting locations if you can, or if you're stationary, try and make it interesting, but try and move around, try and have different backgrounds, and do your pattern interrupt. That's key to people you want people to stop and look at your videos, because people tend to scroll down. That's why pattern interrupting is a major must. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Take care.